Have you ever wondered why bacteria can respond so quickly to their environment, while human cells take a little more time? Well, a big part of that actually comes down to how DNA and RNA are handled inside the cell. So today I'm going to be explaining the key differences between RNA and DNA processes between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. To start, DNA metabolism includes things like DNA replication, while RNA metabolism mainly involves transcription and what happens to RNA after it's made. And one of the biggest differences is where these processes take place. In prokaryotic cells, which do not have a nucleus, both DNA replication and transcription happen in the cytoplasm. But in eukaryotic cells, these processes are separated. DNA replication and transcription happen inside the nucleus, while translation occurs in the cytoplasm. And another important difference is timing. In prokaryotic cells, transcription and translation can actually happen at the same time, because as soon as RNA is being made, ribosomes can begin translating into proteins. But in eukaryotic cells, this doesn't happen. Transcription must be completed first, and then the RNA has to be processed and transported out of the nucleus before translation can begin. But RNA processing is actually a major difference between the two. In eukaryotic cells, the initial RNA, called pre-mRNA, has to be modified. This includes adding a 5' cap, a poly A tail, and removing sections called introns. But prokaryotic cells don't do this kind of processing, so their RNA can be used immediately. There are also structural differences in DNA. Eukaryotic cells have multiple linear chromosomes, while prokaryotic cells usually have a single circular chromosome. And overall, the main differences mainly come down to location, timing, and RNA processing. These differences are important because they affect how quickly cells can produce protein, which is why prokaryotic cells can adapt and respond so quickly. And that was just a quick overview of how DNA and RNA processes differ between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells.